Welcome back. Now, assuming that you are working with multiple monitors, you can then determine which monitor will actually hold your PowerPoint presentation when it's in slideshow full screen mode. So for example, what we can do is we can use this drop down arrow and we can determine which of these monitors is going to hold our PowerPoint presentation when we turn it on. So for example, if we turn our PowerPoint presentation on to a specific monitor, and then we click on our presentation, you'll notice then that we are using this screen as the primary monitor for our presentation. If we switch the monitor back, what will happen is we will click the current slide, and what you'll notice is that we have the presenter view. And this is the set of presenter controls that you'll have available to you when you are using multiple monitors and you are operating your PowerPoint presentation. Now you get this presenter view by default when you have this button ticked. So what is it that you will actually see when you turn on your presenter view? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our presentation. And you'll know that there is another screen and that presentation is going to be on the other screen that we have available to us. Now in the presenter view, we can adjust the size of each area. And you'll notice that we have a current view. We have what's coming up next in terms of slides. If there are any notes, we have them in this area. So if we wanted to read through our notes while we present it, we could do that here in this area. We can know exactly where we are in the presentation by looking at this panel that tells us what slide we are and how many slides we have in our entire presentation. We also have a setting that allows us to see all of the slides at once. If we click this button, what you'll see is that we have all of the slides available to us. If we want to go back to our normal presenter view, we'll just click the arrow and we are back there. And we have zooming controls. We also have a control that allows us to set up a black or white screen. And then we have writing tools where we can write on our PowerPoint presentation. Now you've noticed throughout this course, what we have done is we have looked at this menu, we have pulled the drop down menu, and we've clicked this link that says swap presenter view and slideshow view. This allows us to toggle back and forth on our present screen with our PowerPoint presentation. And so what we can do is we can click this link. You'll notice then that we have our presentation. We can then click the link again, and that switches us back to the presenter view. And then to go back to our normal view, we'll just need to click escape. It brings us back to our slideshow menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.